In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete for everyone on WhatsApp Web. Start by opening your preferred desktop browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to launch the web app. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a large QR code and a prompt to link your device. Now, link your account. The fastest method is scanning the QR code with WhatsApp on your phone. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device, go to the option for linked devices, and use the camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. In some regions, you may also see an option to log in using your phone number. If that's available and you prefer it, follow the on-screen steps. Make sure you have a steady internet connection on both devices so your chats sync correctly. Once you're logged in, your chats will appear on the left and the active conversation will display on the right. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct account, particularly if you use multiple numbers or devices. Next, look through the conversation list on the left and locate the chat that includes the content you want to remove for everyone. Hover your mouse over that chat in the list. When you do, a small down arrow or menu icon appears on the right side of the chat preview. Click that icon to open the menu of options for this conversation. From the menu, select Delete Chat. This brings up a confirmation window so you can finalize the action. In the pop-up, choose Delete for everyone if that option is available. Keep in mind that this choice can be time-limited and may only appear for certain recent content. If you don't see Delete for everyone, the action will apply only to your view, and the other participants will still retain the content on their side. Also remember that even when deletion succeeds, others may have already seen the content before it was removed. Confirm your selection and give WhatsApp Web a moment to process. You should see the conversation update accordingly. If it doesn't reflect right away, try refreshing the page or checking your connection, then repeat the action. And that's the process. By opening WhatsApp Web, linking your account, finding the correct conversation, using the menu on the chat preview, and confirming delete for everyone in the pop-up when it's offered, you can quickly remove content across devices. Pause or replay any section if you want to follow along in real time while you complete each step.